Hello students and welcome to Rishi Computer Education. Today what you are going to learn is CSS text properties. So students, there are various CSS properties you can use in your code. So let's see them one by one. First we will start with color. So for that I will take one paragraph and write some text, that is welcome to Rishi Online Buddhi. I have taken this paragraph. Now I want to give color to this text. So for that I will take style tag, and in that paragraph, so for paragraph I want to give color. So first property we are using is color. Color I want to give is red. So let's see the output. Here you can see our text has come in red color. So this way you can change the color of your text. Let's see the next property. Next property we are going to see the alignment of the text. The text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of a text. Text can be left or right aligned, centered or justified. So first we will see the text alignment of center. Let's see the output. Here you can see the text has been aligned to center. If I give it as right, the text will move to the right, and if I take justify, let's see the output. Here you can see when a text align property is set to justify, each line is stretched so that every line has equal width and the left and right margins are straight. Okay, this is the use, and by default it is in left. So let's keep it in center. This is the text alignment property. Next property we are going to see is text decoration. So text decoration property is used to set or remove the decorations from the text. The value text decoration is none is often used to remove the underlines from links. If you have used anchor tag, by default it is with underline. The text is being underlined. So if you want to remove that underlined text, you need to use the property text decoration, and value to that property will be none. So let's see the text decoration. So I'm using here text decoration. Now value I am giving is I want my text should be underlined. So let's see. Here you can see the output. Other value I would give is overline. So let's see. Here you can see the line is above the text. Next I can give is line through. Line through act as strike in our text, and if I give none, then no decoration will be given to that text. This way you can add or remove decorations from your text. Next property I am going to use is text indentation. Text indent property is used to specify the indentation of the first line of that text. Now suppose I have taken this welcome to Rishi Online Buddhi, and after that I am adding lorem ipsum content, and I am giving text indent. Text indent property. Text indent I am giving is 2 cm, that is 2 centimeter. Let's see the output, how it works. First we'll have to remove this text align center. Here you can see there is a space of 2 centimeter. This is called as a text indentation. If I take it as 4, then let's see the output. Here you can see the space has increased to 4 centimeter. So this way you can give indentation to your text. Next property we are going to use is letter spacing. I am removing this text indent now. Next I am giving is letter spacing. So letter spacing property is used to specify the space between the characters in a text. So letter spacing I am giving is 2 pixel. Let's see the output. Here you can see the space has been created between the characters. So this way you can use the letter spacing properties. If I give 4 pixel, the space has increased. Next I am going to use the property that is line height property. Line height property is used to specify the space between the lines. Line height I am giving is 3 pixel. Let's see the output. Here you can see it has override. So if I am giving 15 pixel, let's see. Here you can see now it has created some space. If I give it as 30 pixels, the line height should be 30. So this way you can give height to your sentences or lines. Next is word spacing. So word spacing is used to specify the space between the words in the text. Now it's of words. So first I am removing this letter spacing and line height and we'll use word spacing. So now word spacing should be of 20 pixel. Let's see the output. Here you can see there is a space between the words. Next property we are going to see is text direction. Text direction property is used to change the text direction of an element. By default it is from left to right, and another you can use is, okay, you just need to give the direction. So direction of my text should be from left to right. So I will give RTL. Save the document and see the output. Here you can see the direction of the text has been changed from left to right to right to left. Next, if I want to give shadow to my text, so for that I will have to use the property called text shadow. For now I am removing this content. Okay, so text shadow property adds shadow to the text. Let's see the example. Text shadow. Okay, so first value I am giving is 3 pixel. 3 pixel defines the horizontal shadow. Next I am giving is 4 pixel. This defines the vertical shadow, and last is red I am giving. So this red, not red, I will give blue. This defines the color of the shadow. Let's see the output. Here you can see shadow is being created. Let's decrease the value. Now you can see this way you can give shadow, text shadow. With this we end up the session. Thank you.